Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. A total 42118 candidates applied in response to the advertisement, but only 27776 candidates appeared in the preliminary examination. Stop. Of them, only 3290 candidates were declared eligible for the main examination. Stop. The respondents immediately after conducting the preliminary examination on 31/3/2019 published the model answer key of the question paper on 1/4/2019 with nothing that if any candidate has any objection regarding correctness of any of the answer, he/she should upload the same on the official website of the Rajasthan High Court between 4/4/2019 and 13/4/2019 by entering his application ID and date of birth. Stop. According to the respondent, a total number of 2910 objections against 86 model answers were received. Stop. 58 out of them pertained to the law papers of civil and criminal, whereas 30 of 15 were pertaining to the language papers of English proficiency and Hindi proficiency, respectively. Stop. All the objections were placed before the examination committee, which in its discretion constituted a committee comprising two honorable judges of this court with the subject experts of each subject, namely law, English, and Hindi subjects, having vast experience in their respective fields, to consider the objections. Stop. The expert committee, after examining the matter meticulously, disposed of all the objections in its meeting held on 3/5/2019. Stop. It submitted three separate reports for law, English, and Hindi subjects, thereby sustaining objections in regard to 5 questions and rejecting other objections in respect of all other questions. Stop. We have heard learned counsel for the parties and perused the material on record. Stop. Para. Contention of learned counsel for the petitioners is that deletion of 5 questions has diminished the chances of the candidates who diligently prepared for the examination and marked the correct answers to the question. Stop. Even in the case where there are multiple correct options, deletion of the questions would only work to the advantage of those who have chosen wrong answers, thereby putting the candidates who have attempted the correct answer in a disadvantageous position. Stop. The appropriate course, even in the case of multiple correct answers, would be to award marks to each of those candidates who selected any one of correct answers, including with regard to question number A50, where the option 2 is correct answer in English language and option 1 is correct answer wherein Hindi language. Stop. It is argued that the expert committee ought not to have given vague and unclear opinion. Stop. Its opinion in respect of 5 deleted questions was that either questions be deleted or any other appropriate decision which is in the interest of the examinees may be taken. Stop. The best decision in the interest of the examinees would have been to award marks to the candidates who choose any one of the correct answers. Stop. The decision of the respondent to delete the questions is therefore arbitrary, unreasonable, and is liable to be set aside. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioners have also submitted that in view of the discrepancies found in number of questions answers, this court should appoint a fresh expert committee as was done by the Supreme Court in Richel versus Rajasthan Public Service Commission and others 2018 8 SCC 81 in regard to recruitment to the post of school lecturers. Stop. In fact, a division bench of this court in special appeal writ number 1092 oblique 2015 Pankaj Oswal and others versus Rahul Kumar Maharwal and other decided wide judgment dated 14/5/2018. Stop. Thank you.